Hey guys, okay, we are here in Sierra Lakes, Rocklin. So we're gonna do a before shot, just like, the usual before shot of what this mobile home looks like now, and I will send you an after once we're done renovating, or maybe mid-renovation. But so let's look. Here, obviously, we need some landscaping help. The exterior needs to be painted, power washed. Let's go look inside. Okay, let's go in. This is exciting. I love this one, actually. It's got a bit of a cottage feel. So laundry room, the typical laundry room. HVAC system, it's not that old. So we'll have that checked out. And then to my left, a bathroom. We're probably going to remove the bathtub or replace the bathtub, redo the vanity, replace the toilet, paint. Now take a look up top. Oh, right there. Yeah. We have an entire accent wall. Oh, I need to find the lights in here. Okay, so let's take a look at the kitchen because we're going to have to make quite a bit of changes here. So we have the upper cabinets are in perfect condition, so we're actually going to leave those. They're going to get cleaned, painted, freshened up a bit. The top cabinets here, as you can see, this isn't necessarily a standard size for a refrigerator, so we're going to rip out these two cabinets so you have enough space for a decent size fridge. Bottom cabinets are all going to get ripped out with new beautiful granite countertops. Paint the floral wallpaper. Okay, and now over here we have an exquisite dining room. Like, I mean exquisite. Doesn't it look like a cabin? I love it. We've got these wood beams, the rustic look, a stunning fireplace. Absolutely love it. So what we are gonna do in this space is brighten it up because it's dark. It's really dark. We're gonna leave the wood accents because I think it just adds so much character. And we're gonna obviously replace all the carpet. They did leave their things here, and of course, as Walker Homes, we take the mobiles as is. Okay, so there you have it on the living and dining room area, and of course the front door is right there. Now let's go to the second living area, which in our last mobile we turned into a third bedroom. So there might be an option over here. We'll take a look, see what is workable for this specific park. I mean, this is a family park, so it might be highly desirable to add a third bedroom. Okay, so there's this great accent wall that we have here. I'm definitely want to leave this here because it goes with the overall theme of this mobile, which has got sort of like a lodge type feel. And then let's go to the first bedroom. Whoa. Welcome to the first bedroom. All the rooms seem to have fans, which is great because then you won't have to crank up your AC. We'll probably just update them, or I don't know, you'll see. We'll see what we do. So we're obviously going to paint this bedroom, brighten it up, replace all the floors. And it's connected to this bathroom, which as well has carpet. I don't get bathroom carpet. I don't get it. Okay, let's go to the master. It's a decent sized master bedroom. Floors will be replaced. Not sure about this, but you know what? If for those of you who actually have subscribed to my channel, you'll notice that this is actually a clean mobile home. Typically we get them and they have stuff everywhere, but either way, we take them as is. So there you have it. Okay, let's go see the master bathroom. It's cute. I like it. I like it a lot. Nice. Bathtub, large, cabinets are in great condition. It almost looks like they didn't even use them. So they'll be painted. The wallpaper, it's all going to be removed. We're going to brighten this place up with our usual colors. Cabinets are in great condition. It doesn't even look like they used them. Okay, here we have a walk-in shower. Not much to be done other than clean it. This vanity is going to be removed, painted, and that up top over there, I don't know if you can see it, it matches that accent wall. So we're going to keep that. And it also matches the wood beams that are in the front. This is a great one. I love this one. I will definitely keep you posted. Subscribe to my channel and like it if you like it.